Hello everybody, this is Dominique. This is my MIU Project 2 review video. Pardon the noise, I am at a coffee shop. So the first talking point that we'll get into what part of the assignment was the easiest. Honestly, this whole entire week was just a struggle for me. For some reason, I thought that introducing jQuery mobile would make everything a lot easier, but it just seemed to complicate everything. It my main JS broke for some reason. I'm not sure why, um, but other than that, that was my main issue, my biggest struggle. The most difficult part of the assignment. Not to say everything, but I think would be getting my CRUD no longer seems to work. So I spent quite a deal of time trying to fix that. I was able to fix some issues, but it still won't get the certain values of the radio buttons and the date range, and I don't know why that is, and I can't seem to pinpoint with JSLint or Firebug or anything why that is, so I guess I'll just be stuck reading code for the next few days until I fix that. What information from previous courses did you utilize to complete this project? Oh man, debugging again. Debugging was the greatest source or resource from previous courses, especially VF1. What information did you research to complete this project? A lot of jQuery mobile. I kept the jQuery mobile documentation there the entire time. It's really resourceful. jQuery mobile's not that bad. It's just the issues I was having with my CRUD and interaction with jQuery mobile. There was an aha moment when I was actually doing the planning for the app. I was trying to do both apps at one time, and I don't know, I was trying to take on too much at one time. So I fixed that by doing it one at a time, and took some notes and decided, what I wanted in my gold app and what I wanted in my bronze app and how I would satisfy all the requirements. Um, in terms of justification, what you see here is my gold app. Let me pull up my bronze app. 1 second. That is my bronze app. Okay. In the gold app, I think that this just flows a lot better. I both feature the one window drill down. I don't mind that. I don't know if others do, but I don't think that it's a big issue. As long as there's navigation to get back to where you were previously. Um, yeah, that is pretty much my gold app, and in terms of justification, I chose the list inlay in the info because it just makes everything a little easier, a little bit more accessible in terms of the links and the information that I display. Um, excuse me. The thumbnail and text, I think that flows a lot better versus the bronze app. I have the thumbnail grid, which, as you see, when it's really small, you can't read the entire title and whatnot. The news stream, I put in my gold, my bronze app. I don't think it's necessary for my app. I don't think that you would necessarily need to know in chronological order what books that you've read, and it could be a feature that could be requested, but I just don't think that initially that it's something that I would invest time in. And my navigation is pretty much the same, except for in the gold app you have the add title where you're able to actually use the form, which I said was working to a certain extent. And I think that's it in terms of justification. Then this was my list inlay for the, actually that's on the other page, yeah. But I think that's it. I hope that everybody else had a better week, and I think that next week, hopefully we can tackle how to search dynamically. I also meant to display the search right here. It's the filter, I didn't do it dynamic. There you go. You can see it.